comes at night because she gets away with drinking more that way. We get these all ready. They're going to be lovely. Is that the other Peggy? Who's that?
I don't think we have two Peggies, do we?
I don't have my glasses on. There's supposed to be onion in this soup?
It goes on top, boss.
Okay.
Help him out, Steve. Is there onions?
Onion and cilantro on top.
I'm sure there is.
We're going to get that as we go in here. Okay, and we got bamboo shoots. These are nice. They come out of a can. We don't have too much bamboo here in the canyon. There was some down at the lodge, but they caught me in there cutting the stalks down one day, and now they don't let me in there anymore. So we got that. So let's turn on some heat here.
Is the sesame oil instead of canola?
We got both, but I put some olive oil. Yeah, I put olive and sesame in there. I like that flavor. You can do that. We got lots of those. You want more?
No.
Oh, here's
My recipe here.
there it is.
She was wondering if you were subbing it, if you could sub it out. It's really strong flavored, Peggy.
Yeah. And then, just because it's me, I like a little bit of in there. That's good. Pepper dust. Good stuff, isn't it? Okay. And then we have rice wine vinegar. Good stuff. Put some of that in there. And we've got unseasoned. This is soy sauce. That's good too. And then we have sambal. You know about sambal? It's a nice hot red pepper. Some kind of food. If you don't know about it today, you know in the morning. We're going to put that in there. And if you don't have some of that, because sometimes you can't get it, you can use sriracha. It was in